What if I told you that the identity, the thing that defines who we are, has been weaponized to run a mafia state in South Africa? In traditional South African society, names comes with lineage. Vusimuzi means something in Zulu. Really does. Matlala is a royal name in Mapedi culture. It's a royal links to royalty in Mapedi culture. So if someone claims those names but has no genealogy, no elders, no village that we can link that person to, that's not just odd. That's identity manipulation. The Cat Matlala pattern. Who is Vusimuzi Cat Matlala? There are no records of him, public records, before 2017 in South Africa. No confirmed ties to Zulu or Bapedi royals. Yet he lands big public contracts. He's seen near the president of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa's cycle, including his nephew. That's not heritage. That's access engineering. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the respectable police commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, just blew the whistle. And I did play a video at Mzansi Or's Diaries, Justice Unmuted. If you're on TikTok, go to my profile there, get to the link to that video. It talks really well about what Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi said, that South African police and judicial system are protecting criminals. Now, we need to ask yourself, what kind of systems allows a man with murky identity and no verifiable or verified qualification to control critical tender, that is healthcare? Tembisa Hospital and Mamelodi Hospital, healthcare tenders. The answer is really simple, folks. The mafia state. A mafia state would do that. Cat Matlala, runs something called the mystery of identity under his group. But whose identity is it protecting? Not the people, not the poor. It's protecting constructed personas that erase the real culture, this fake identity. It is protecting the constructed persona that erase the real culture and let elites cash in. That's what it does. So in mafia states, fake identity isn't a disguise, like people disguise themselves, obscurity. It's the operating system in mafia state, fake identity. If you want justice, start asking, where do you come from? Who are your people? Who are you really serving? That's true. And also just imagine running a security company in South Africa, a regulated industry. Security company in South Africa, very much regulated. You don't just run those security company on paper, without actually producing your valid identification, and the requirement being a South African citizen, and also have a verification check. It is a regulated industry. So just imagine then someone like him running a security industry without a clear path, no verified qualification, no known routes. Just now imagine you're connected to public contracts. And that is Vusimuzi, Cat Matlala. Vusimuzi Cat Matlala doesn't just use royal sounding names like Vusimuzi, which is Zulu, and then Matlala, which is the royal Papedi name, last name. He also operates that security sector. And in South Africa, to run a security company, you need to meet real requirements. And those requirements are background checks, police clearance, industry regulation and qualification. But before 2017, this man, Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, is a ghost. No public records, again, no professional trails. But somehow, Vusimuzi Cat lands health tenders contract to supply critical equipment, healthcare equipment to patients. Runs a security operations and position himself in elite spaces, even being seen in a video that's circulating near President's family circle, even family. This isn't just coincident, it's constructed access. The access is being constructed. The PC, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, gave us a warning when really said judicial and police system protects criminals. This is what he meant. And there's a lot of them going out there and saying, oh, Mkhwanazi must produce evidence. This is it. Vusimuzi Cat Matlala is it. This is the evidence right there in front of you. This is the evidence. He doesn't need to do anything. In fact, what he produced was the last piece was missing. The people who've been studying this for a while, myself, including our company, all the resource to it, was this piece was missing. And he provided this last puzzle piece. So the pattern is very complete now. That we are looking at the mafia-state. So you can't run a security company in a regulated space and get tenders without, system helping you, without anyone helping you in that. No, unless the system is designed to let ghosts walk through walls. So Cat Matlala, Vusimuzi Cat Matlala's company isn't just about security. It also includes a mystery of identity, which sounds like it defends cultural roots. When you look at it, it's like, sounds like it defends cultural roots. It's anti-xenophobic. But ask yourself, whose identity is being protected here? Is it his own fabricated one? Or is it there to erase the real indigenous South African culture and protect the political persona from scrutiny? What is it? We need to ask this. This is a question. Real security starts with transparency. So if you're running a company's claiming royalties, royal heritage and receiving tenders, we have a right to ask. We have a right to ask you, where's your family? Where's your paperwork? Where's your past? And that's not tribalism, that's just making sure with safety. It's about safety, people. Just safety, that you meet the standard set for safety, not a mafia state.